Black Lives Matter. This is a consistent trend that we see on news and especially on social media. But do we honestly understand what does it mean or why we even say it? Or is it just sticked out because of an African American, George Floyd, who was killed by the police during an arrest in Minneapolis, Minnesota on May 25, 2020? Or is it because of the protests by the people which were done in response to both Floyd's death as well as more broadly to police violence against the black people? Even if it is, it doesn't count. It was not just about George Floyd, who was killed during an arrest for allegedly using a counterfeit bill. Apart from him, there were more 722 fatal killings by the people, of whom 3/4 of them were blacks. No doubt, protests against the deadly use of force by police is still sweeping across the country. But in 2015, Washington Post began telling how many people were shot or killed by the police. Everything was analyzed, and this was the outcome. 2015, 994 people. 2016, 962. 2017, 986. 2018, 991. 2019, 1004. 2020, 463 as of June 7th. मतलब grow up dude. Modernity के नाम पे ये सब जो थोपते हो ना, seriously, you are a big loser. I have seen a number of posts about hashtag Black Lives Matter, silence is unexpectable, solidarity not just sympathy. But do we even know what does it actually mean? Though India is a secular country where the preamble states that there should be no discrimination, no differentiating between caste, creed or religion, there are still places where people still feel such proxy situations. India just faces a pinch of such situations. But what about places like Africa, America, Germany, where people have to face such dreadful behaviors by the whites now and then? I would like to pinpoint out those people to watch this part more carefully, that the people who you think are worthless, dear, this was a disclaimer for you. Please watch the video ahead. Especially for those who think blacks are worthless. We have Nelson Mandela, who served as a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and served as the president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was also country's first black head of the state. Secondly, Barack Obama. He served as the 44th president of the United States from 2009 to 2017. And also he was the first African American to serve as the President of the United States. Additionally, we also have Prince Hall, who served as a leader in Free Black community in Boston. John Hope Franklin, African American historian of United States. तो ये तो मैंने बहुत कम बोला है, गूगल पे जाके ना सर्च करना, ठीक है? Please don't indulge yourself into tweeting or posting anything against the Black Lives Matter movement. Otherwise, you're not less than a hypocrite for me. So please don't, because I think even for the world, you must be a hypocrite if you post or tweet or, even write anything against the Black Lives Matter movement. अच्छा, मैंने इतना सारा बोल तो दिया है, but it has to be practical. So I, as an individual, will take it as a challenge, or it may be a call into question for me. Request you to not just post or tweet anything about it, but make sure you start it from your own doorstep. Make sure you go against all the wrong things, because we all are equal. Not any caste, creed, color, religion, gender can discriminate us from anyone. Because not only Black Lives Matter, White Lives Matter, Asian Lives Matter, Earth Lives Matter, people living on Earth Lives Matter, White Lives Matter, all lives do matter. Yeah, that's it for today guys. Hope you like my video. And also, if you are against these people who pitchfork or go against these Black Lives Matter movement, do hit the like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, please turn the red box grey and let me know in the comment section below that even you are against such people. And all I want to say is I'm really sorry for posting this video so late. Actually, I was packed into something else. So yeah, that's it. And I'll take a leave now. See you soon.